You can make this simple cake with just 3 ingredients. Here's how. Start by blending 350 grams of your favorite store-bought cookie in a food processor. We chose graham crackers, but you can pretty much use any kind of cookie that you like. Add the finely crushed cookies to a large bowl, then sprinkle in baking powder through a sieve. This is what's going to make your cake rise so it's fluffy instead of hard and dense. Whisk together, then pour in warm milk. Heating the milk beforehand will make it easier to incorporate into the crushed cookies. Now use a spatula to thoroughly mix everything together. Once it has the consistency of a cake batter, pour into a 7-inch square pan lined with parchment paper that overhangs slightly. This will make it easier to remove later. Gently shake the pan to remove any air bubbles and even out the top, then pop in the oven at 340 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. You can test if it's fully cooked by piercing the center with a skewer or toothpick. If it comes out clean, the cake is fully cooked. Remove from the pan and invert onto a clean cutting board or plate. Gently peel off the parchment paper and allow the cake to cool completely. Once it's cooled, top your cake with your favorite icing. Here we used a simple white chocolate ganache. You can find a recipe for chocolate ganache in the description below. Just sub in white chocolate instead of dark. Try this recipe at home and let us know which cookies you used and how it went. And subscribe to Dish for more 3-ingredient recipes.